Microsoft Excel 2010 Cell References. Cell C5 has been selected. The name of a cell is a combination of the column and row in which the cell lies. The name is shown in the name box. The contents of the cell are shown in the formula bar. The cell contents provide a cell value. Note that this cell value has been formatted to show the number's currency. Select cell D15. Type in a formula to divide the amount above by 4. The value in this cell must be equal to the value in cell D14 divided by 4. Click on the Enter button. Note that cell D14 was referred to in order to use its value. This is known as a cell reference. The result of the calculation is placed in the cell D15 as a new value. Always use a cell reference rather than an actual value when typing in a formula. Type in the formula as this value in this cell must be equal to 3055 divided by 4. Click on the Enter button. If the airfares change in any way, this will be incorrect because there is no cell reference. Select Undo to undo, typing in the formula. Some calculations need to refer to more than one cell. Select a column of values. Select a row of values. Select a block of values. Notice that all the selections formed rectangles. Any rectangular selection of data is known as a cell range. The cells in the range can be listed individually. For example, this contains B5, B6, B7, as well as C5, C6, etc. Select D13. Here a calculation has been done by listing the cells that are to be added. Notice that the list of cells is enclosed in round brackets and separated by commas. This is not a good way to list cells in a range. If the cells are in a range, the range should rather be named. If we select these cells, we have selected B5, B6, B7 and B8. In other words, from B5 up to B8. The formula in this cell shows how the range should be named. Use a colon, name the first cell and the last cell. Select cell D11. The quickest way to name a range is to start typing in the function, open a round bracket, and then drag over the cells. The range will be completed. Type a closing bracket and click on the Enter button. The range is now correct for this calculation. The range reference is B9 up to E9.